What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another cocktail. And today's cocktail, guys, is comparing the Bucks Fizz with the Mimosa. I'm gonna say they're very similar. I was gonna say the Bucks Fizz is an English tradition. We have it on Christmas Day and we drink it on Christmas morning normally. So this is just a couple of days after, but I thought I'd show you the two anyways. As Bucks Fizz is an English tradition, and the Mimosa is more of an American drink, but there is a little bit different. They're very similar cocktails, just a little bit of difference. So I will make a Bucks Fizz first, because I thought it's a perfect cocktail because it's coming up to New Year's Eve. So to make the Bucks Fizz, it's half and half like that of freshly squeezed orange juice and champagne. So 75 ml, which is 2.5 ounces of each. So the first thing we pour in first is the orange juice. This is got to toast up. And simple as that, just top it up with champagne. Yeah, helps like that. That's how it's called Bucks Fizz, that. There you go, Marty. And garnish with orange slice. So the difference with the Mimosa now is it has 50 ml of orange juice and 100 ml of champagne, so a bit more. So 50 ml, which is 1.7 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. This is going to be fun. And just top up with champagne. It should be about 100 ml, but I reckon it's going to be a little bit more personal. And there we go, one Mimosa. And again, garnish with an orange slice. So as you can tell, they're both a very similar style like that. But the Mimosa is this one, and this is Bucks Fizz. And there we go, very simple champagne cocktails, both of them. Very similar, just like the Mimosa is a little bit more boozier. A little bit more alcoholic. So Bucks Fizz, how does it taste? I should have done this Christmas some morning, really. Once said I'll do it for New Year's. A bit refreshing. And now the Mimosa, how does this taste? Very nice. Personally, I prefer the half and half. I think it's a little bit more refreshing, it's not as powerful. Because they're both a little bit weird. Because if you love champagne, you'll like both. Because I'd go for the Mimosa if you like your champagne. But personally, I prefer the Bucks Fizz. It's got a little bit more balance to it, a little bit more refreshing, a little bit more smoother. But that's my preferred one, the Bucks Fizz. But which one is yours? What do you think of Bucks Fizz and Mimosa? Which one, have you ever had it before? Have you ever had a Bucks Fizz on Christmas morning? Do let me know in the comments below. But I've been Mixed. This has been my run up to New Year's Eve. This is starting it off now. I hope you are enjoying the series so far. So we're doing near enough daily content on this channel. And I will see you guys for the next New Year's Eve cocktail in the run up to New Year's Eve. So do have a very awesome day. Stay safe. And one thing to mention, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more cocktails like this. But I will see you guys for the next New Year's Eve cocktails. Cheers.